Early on in life, we look outward, and the world around us, it fills us with so many questions. We look at the seasons and wonder why they change. We look at the stars and ask how they shine. It's not until we get a little older that our questioning starts to get deeper. We look inward at ourselves, and we ask, what am I? Once we begin to answer that, that's when we can really start to let our light shine on the world. Me? I'm strong, I'm sensitive, I'm patient, I'm kind, I'm mindful, I'm me. That's what I am.
That's what I am. That's what I am.